Hello everyone. Welcome back to our ICT Governance and Management class. Today, we are in Chapter 7, ICT Governance Metrics. Now, let me ask you a simple question. How do we know if ICT in an organization is doing a good job? It's easy to assume things are going well just because nothing's broken, right? But in reality, ICT success must be measured through data, performance indicators, and governance tools. So, in this session, we are going to explore three practical tools used to assess ICT performance. First, the ICT Balance Scorecard. Second, the Baldrige National Quality Program. And third, ICT Management Reporting Tools. Let's begin with the Balance Scorecard or BSC. Originally used in business, is now widely adopted in ICT to measure how well IT is contributing to the overall goals of an organization. But here is the cool part. Instead of just measuring financial performance, the BSC looks at ICT through four different lenses. This gives us a balanced 360-degree view. Let's go through them one by one. First, we have the business contribution. Also, we call it as financial perspective. This looks at how ICT helps the organization financially. Are we saving costs through automation? Are IT systems contributing to revenue growth? I want to give you an example. A university saves 50,000 ringgit Malaysia yearly by shifting to online registration. That is ICT adding financial value. Second, operational excellence. Here we focus on internal processes. Are systems reliable? Are we resolving issues efficiently? Example, if 90% of help desk tickets are resolved within 24 hours, that's great operational performance. Third, user orientation. In ICT, users are usually internal, students, lecturers, and staff. Are they satisfied with the ICT services? Is support responsive? Example, a student survey gives the LMS platform a 4.5 out of 5. That is a positive user experience. And fourth, future orientation. This perspective asks, are we preparing for the future? Are ICT staff learning new skills? 80% of staff attending cybersecurity training shows strong future readiness. Each of these perspectives is linked to KPIs, key performance indicators. These are specific, measurable values that help track performance. Let's take a quick university example. Financial. IT budget usage under 90%. In terms of operational, 99.8% system uptime. User, 4.3 out of 5 satisfaction from staff. Future, 90% of team trained in cloud systems. That is strong, balanced performance. But performance is not just about numbers. It's also about leadership, strategy, and improvement. And that brings us to our second tool, the Baldrige National Quality Program. The Baldrige framework helps organizations evaluate their performance in a more holistic way. It's not a technical model. is a governance model. It helps ICT departments align their work with leadership, strategy, and user needs. This model is built on 7 core categories. Let's take a quick tour through them. First, leadership. Are ICT leaders guiding the team with clear vision and values? Second, strategic planning. Are ICT goals aligned with the university's future direction? Third, customer focus. Are users' needs understood and addressed? Have you emailed the ICT team, and how fast did they respond? Fourth, measurement, analysis, and knowledge management. Is data used to support improvement? Fifth, workforce focus. Are ICT staff trained and engaged? Six, operations focus. Are processes stable, secure, and effective? And lastly, results. Are goals being achieved? Is there improvement over the time? These 7 areas give a complete picture, from leadership all the way to user satisfaction and system performance. Here's an example in a university setting. Leadership. ICT director promotes innovation culture. In terms of strategy, ICT upgrades align with digital campus roadmap. In terms of customer focus, 90% of students satisfied with platform learning management system. Workforce, staff attend regular upskilling sessions. And lastly, results. ICT complaints reduced by 30% in 6 months. So, while BSc give us KPIs, Baldrige give us the structure to lead and improve those numbers. Now, once we are collecting performance data, we need to communicate it effectively. That's where reporting tools come in. Reporting tools are essential in ICT governance. Without them, we are drowning in data. But with the right tools, we can make smart, timely decisions. Popular tools include Power BI, which is to create visual dashboards, Tableau for data visualization, ServiceNow to track service levels, Nagios SolarWinds for monitoring system health in real time. These tools help leaders see what is working and what needs attention. A well-structured ICT report should include system uptime and downtime, incident response time, user satisfaction scores, project progress, security metrics like number of threats detected, and lastly, budget use and the return of investment. Let's say your monthly dashboard shows 99.7% uptime, 95% SLA compliance, 2 critical incidents resolved within 2 hours, 4.2 out of 5 average user satisfaction. Now, that is powerful data, not just for tracking, but for planning future improvements. So, let's recap. Balanced scorecard gives us a broad, structured view of ICT performance. Baldrige framework helps us to lead, manage, and align ICT with strategic goals. Reporting tools turn raw data into decisions that matter. Together, these tools help us build trust, show value, and continuously improve ICT services. This is reflection for you. If you were the ICT manager at our university, what are the three things would you measure every month and why? Write them down and bring them to our next class. I would love to hear your ideas. Thank you so much for joining me. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next chapter. Bye for now.